How to create QR codes in Google Sheets. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate QR codes in Google Sheets. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your Google Sheet, and here at the top you'll be able to see a list. So what you're going to do is simply click on extensions and then click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons. And over here, you're going to search for QR code. So simply search for any app such as QR code or barcode and press enter. And then you'll be able to see various QR codes extensions to download. So you can install any of these in order to generate QR code. Or the second option that you can do is simply go to the URL and copy that. And once you do so, head over to your Sheets and just paste the URL over here. So once you have pasted your link over here, you can simply add the extensions, or you can head over and add any formula of QR code and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can add QR codes in your Google spreadsheets. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.